Clean Biz Network, and I came to tell you that you probably don't even need a business, okay? This video is for those who are looking to build wealth, and so you think you want to start a cleaning company because that's going to help you to do it. But what I'm trying to get you to understand today is you might not need to own a business because some of you might be better off self-employed. What is the difference between self-employed and a business owner? As we know before, I went over this several times on this channel. A business owner creates a system that runs for them whether they are actively involved in the services of the business or not. A self-employed person usually performs the services of the business, but the business can't run without. Okay, so a lot of you guys think that just because you're good at cleaning that you should own a cleaning company. And that's not always the case. And then some of you guys aren't that good at cleaning, so you think that maybe you shouldn't have a cleaning company, when in reality you probably make a pretty good executive, so you should own a cleaning company because you're not going to be the one cleaning anyway, okay? And so this is what I want to tell you. If you are good at cleaning, but you don't seem to be that good at being a cleaning business owner, when I say hiring and firing, your people always quitting on you, you're very attached to your customers, you always like to go in and clean and fix things, maybe you're better off just being self-employed and not having a cleaning company, okay? Because hopefully y'all can hear me too. I don't have a microphone outside. But because think about this. If you're just trying to build wealth, well, there's nothing wrong with getting, I don't know, 5 to 10 accounts just for you to clean and, I don't know, net 4 to 5 grand a month, and then put away some on the side, invest in your in some stocks, learn a little bit about stock investing, and then also buy some real estate. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. You can buy multi-family properties and complexes of all types and create wealth that way while still just cleaning yourself, okay? You don't have to create a business out of it. I teach people to create businesses out of this stuff because more than likely anybody that gets involved in this really isn't passionate about cleaning, right? And they say they want to build wealth, but you don't want to be scrubbing toilets for the rest of your life either. So that's why I teach you how to build a system out of this. However, if you're actually good at cleaning and you don't mind scrubbing toilets or whatever you got to do, then do that. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with it, okay? So, but understand you need to know what your goal is when it comes to building your company. So if you want to be self-employed and you want to do all the cleaning, that's fine. But make sure that you understand that's your goal from the beginning. And if you want to build a business out of it, then make sure that you're studying and putting yourself in a position to create a system out of your company. That's why I always tell people, if you're going to create a system out of it, you want to build a business, hire from day one. Always be taking applications, subcontract if you have to, okay? But your thing is you should never be touching a broom, a mop, nothing, okay? You don't want to touch anything that has to do with the actual service being done if you're going to be a business owner. If you're going to be self-employed, then it doesn't matter, okay? So, but my point is, you don't have to make it a business in order to build wealth. That's what you guys need to understand, okay? So if you want to go out and get a couple of accounts, you clean them, nothing wrong with that. That's all I wanted to check in for y'all today. So ask yourself this: am I building a business or am I just going to be self-employed? And sometimes, now the thing too, this is another thing that you need to consider when you think about this. It's hot as on the water out here. But think about this: if you're going to sell the business, you're looking to sell the company later on. If you're looking to sell it on, it's going to be harder to sell as a self-employed person versus as a business owner, because if you sell as a self-employed person, the person that you're trying to sell to, they're going to pay you less for a self-employed company, because that means that they probably going to have to do the service until they can turn it into a business and hire other people. Now, if they want to buy it and do exactly how you're doing it, that's fine too. But just understand, nobody's going to pay top dollar for a job, because that's basically what you're doing at that point. You're basically your own boss. It's a job, but it's just you're the boss, okay? But that's how self-employment works. But there's nothing wrong with self-employment. It's just that you need to be clear on the difference between the two and understand that if you are more suited for a self-employed role, then don't try to keep getting so many accounts. There's only so much you can do as one person or as a 2-man team or 3-man team, right? If that's all you want to do, then maximize yourself, get your 8 grand a month and be done with it. Don't keep trying to grow and grow and grow and overextend yourself and then keep losing accounts due to poor service, okay? Because you're overwhelmed and you can't handle them all. Alright, so hopefully this video was able to help you guys. I'm about to get out of here. It's hot as I don't know what out here. AJ Sims checking out for the Clean Biz Network. I will talk to y'all soon.